In such a cold winter like Germany, you crave spicy things like kurkure. So, today I am going to tell you how to make kurkure. It's a very easy recipe, and if you're watching this recipe, and that means you're missing your Indian taste. And let me tell you that I can feel you, my friends. You are very far away from India, and when you remember about Indian food, then it really make your heart ache. This recipe is very easy, and I made that from a very German ingredient, and I added some Indian spices. So, without wasting any time, let's go to the recipe. So, this one is roasted cumin powder. And what I did was I just roasted cumin in my tawa or crepes panna, and then I used my Thai roller or balan to grind it a bit. It is coarsely ground roasted cumin powder. This one is asafoetida, and obviously if you want to give that tangy taste and very spicy taste, then you want to add some chili. So this one is very spicy chili from India, and from special from our place Rajasthan. And this one is Kashmiri lal mirch, which will give color and taste as well as. And then this one is sugar, and I don't want to add so much sugar, so I took the half of the amount of chili and then sugar, and we also need some amchur, and this one is chaat masala. And I completely forgot about the most important ingredient, that is salt. So I took some Himalayan sea salt or kala namak, and I also took some normal table salt. So I also added some turmeric, and I took everything in a grinder, and now I'm going to grind it so that it will mix together and it will be fine. So kurkure is called kurkure because they are crispy. So we need a crispy base. So I'm using this mice Puffletti that is available everywhere in grocery stores. And if possible, please prefer the Puffletti without palm oil, because palm oil is not good for our climate. So I'm using this Puffletti, and now I heated some oil, and I'm going to mix the spices and Puffletti into this. So I added the spices, and now I'm going to mix it and add the Puffletti to it. So this is the consistency that we want, so that it can coat the Puffletti. And also if you don't want to use Puffletti, then you can use add nusslips in this condition. So here you see it is the final result and how good it looks. And I switched off the flame as soon as I added Puffletti, because if we need not to make it crispier, it's already crispy. So here our kurkure is ready, and you can enjoy it alone or with your friend, because sharing is caring. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. And I will come again online with a new topic and a new video. Until then, bye bye.